Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this bad boy right here, this blow dryer, and how to use it and how to get that big voluminous hair because we all want that. I got this, I don't know, a couple months ago, life changing. I absolutely love it. I naturally clearly have curly hair. It's frizzy, and in the humidity, it's just not fun. But this product, this blow dryer, has honestly like changed the game for me. Normally when I blow dry my hair, it's just like I have to straighten it after, but with this, I don't have to. It leaves it silky and really nice. Like I said, it gives it a lot of volume and flippiness and bounciness. The only con I would say is that it's super loud. Like my ears legit ring after, and it gets really hot. My ears, like, be prepared to have your ears on fire because it gets super hot. I mean, I guess it's a good thing, but it's weird because I thought, like, with a product like this and the heat's coming from like out all over, that it would make your hair frizzy, but it doesn't. It just, you kind of have more control over it. And it has settings right here. It has settings right here is high, low, and cool and off. It's super lightweight, like I said, and yeah, it makes it super easy. So I'm going to be showing you how to exactly use it, and after, I normally put Velcro rollers in my hair just to give it that extra body and so it could last all day. But first, what we do is take heat protectant. I use this Chi right here. All you need is like a dime size. Not a lot at all. It's really all you need. Roll it in, put it through your hair. My hair is dry right now. I normally wait a while for it to dry just because this product, it will take a long time if your hair is like soaking wet. So sometimes what I like to do is take a regular blow dryer and just go through it to get that like heaviness out, and then I will go in with it all over my hair. Make sure it's all in there. So next, take this little bad boy clip, put my hair halfway first, like this. You can see in the back. So I'm just going to take that, kind of just throw that up there. You're going to look a little crazy for a little bit. So first, I take little sections because I find that helps the most. Sorry, don't mind, this has like a lot of hair on it. It's pretty gross. I should probably clean that. But yeah, just take little sections, and you can make this like a blow dryer where you can just like make your hair straight. I like that curl on the bottom. It gives you that bounce. So you just twist your wrist. It's that easy. You twist it. I usually hold it right here. So I guess the base, the top of your head, I don't know. It gets super hot, and then you just kind of roll it. You could go as fast as you can, as slow as you can, whatever speed you want. And then I kind of go each way. I don't really have a specific way. So I like to go away from my face, but sometimes I like to just like go this way too. So it kind of goes back and forth. So I'm going to start. I will show you. I will probably speed this up so you can see it just faster. Then I'll go into sections and just kind of break it down for you guys that way. All right, so here we go. Super loud. So that's the bottom part, and I'm losing so much hair. Anyone to lose as much hair as me because oh my god. So normally what I like to do is just put this like in a ponytail, that way I don't get it confused with my neck section. Usually go from like the arch of my eyebrow, I guess you could say, and I part that right here, so like right here, and I'll just go just like this, and I'll have like this much. It's not a lot, but like I said, the more sections you do, I feel like it's better just how you get that volume. So now that this part is dry, I'll take out the ponytail, and again, I'll just kind of go through it once again, make sure I get, this is what it looks like so far. Getting there, getting there. It's super silky and smooth. This is why I love this blow dryer. It doesn't feel like, I don't know, kinky or anything. I don't know, my old blow dryer just made my hair feel gross. But I like to do the flips this way and that way. I know some people just like to do it like towards her face. I just like how it looks, gives it more bounce, so that's what I like. This is like the last section before the top where you're really gonna get that fullness. So I'm just gonna take like, pretty much this is like my bang area, so just gonna take that, section it off, and take some of the back too, and roll that up, girl. Okay, so the last piece, again, not a lot of hair, you just want to section it off so it's easier for you. Almost there, and I'm using this viewfinder as like a mirror too, so don't mind me. I'm like looking at the mirror here as well. Next is the top. This is where you're gonna get your most volume, but again, like I said, at the end I normally put Velcro rollers in it just so it can last like all day. fell out. Okay, so this is the end result. Now this is without putting the Velcro rollers in. You can see it has a lot of volume. I like to flip it kind of all over. Some might say it looked like a mom's hairdo, but I guess I like that. So yeah, this is how it looks right now. I didn't put any other product in it except for the heat protectant. If you want to put some type of serum at the ends, don't put it on top of your hair because it's going to be greasy. You want to put it towards the end, but I don't normally do that just because sometimes I feel like it weighs down your hair. But yeah, this is normally how I would do it. It honestly took, I would say, 15 minutes to do that. Not long at all. Love the blow dryer. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. The Revlon, I don't know what the full name is, Revlon Volumizer. I will link it down in the description box so you guys can just click it and get it if you want. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I do the Velcro rollers next. Okay, so next I'm going to be showing you guys how to put the rollers in your hair, the Velcro rollers. This is what it looks like. Again, sorry for the hair. Sorry, that's really embarrassing. Probably should have taken that off. But I love these. I've had them for years. I've tried hot rollers and they're okay. I feel like these do just as good. And then I just take these little clips that you can get in the dollar store to hold them better. I mean, these hold good by themselves, but just for extra security. Okay, so first what I do is kind of part my hair down the middle. I usually take my bangs. Then I take the biggest roller. There's this size right here. And there's a bunch of sizes, but I only grab like the mediums and small. I think this is like the medium one. Then there's a really, really small one. So you just take it and you just roll it back. Always away from your hair, like I said. And then you just, again, I'm using the viewfinder as a mirror, so this is a little difficult. Okay, then you look like a grandma from the 90s. So next I like to put one in the back so it has that volume on top. Just take your hair, I would say about like this much. I would say about, yeah, this much hair. And the same exact thing, you take the big roller, or however big you want your hair, that's the size roller you're gonna get. And then you just roll it back and back. It's uneven because I'm stick like that. You could do your full hair if you want. I only do that if I have like an event to go to, like a wedding or something. But I like to do these front pieces too. So this is where these sizes come in. Again, sorry for the hair, it's gross. And you're gonna take like this size piece of your hair, and this one, same thing, roll away from your head. Now I went all over to get this blow dryer, and honestly, it was sold out. I think I got it like Christmas time. It was sold out everywhere, and then I finally went to Bed Bath & Beyond. I should have went there first, because coupons, duh. Okay, so you're just going to leave these in your hair for as long as you want. I think the longer, the better. You can do your makeup, get ready, go throughout the day, drop the kids off at school, whatever you gotta do. Okay, so normally I do put hairspray in. I absolutely love this hairspray. My absolute favorite. It is very lightweight. It's not heavy on your hair. It's not gonna have like that like sticky feeling. Mine's legit broke. This clip right here. I'm so mad at myself for doing that. It's a little pricey, but it's totally worth the price. It's L'Oreal Paris Elnett Satin. This is the stronghold, and it's not gonna have that sticky feeling, and you can still run your fingers through your hair. I know a lot of celebrity hairstylists use this, and I can see why, because it's awesome. I will link this in the bottom bar as well so you guys can find that. So next you just take out your hair, again leave it in as long as you want, and I always pull my hair and hurt myself. So again, the longer you leave it in the better. So now, yeah, lots of volume. Okay, so this is the end result. Again, you just take some hairspray. Mine's broke, sorry. You just still run it through. Just a little bit. And so yeah, this is the end result. I hope you guys liked this video and I really hope it was helpful. Again, I love this blow dryer. It changed my life. I love it. I will link everything that I used below and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.